Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on building a face recognition-based airport security system using Java. In this video, we will dive into a project that leverages modern machine learning techniques for enhancing airport security. Before we start coding, let's outline the objectives of this tutorial. By the end, you will have a working application that can recognize faces from images or video streams and help enhance security protocols at airports. Our completed system will include the following features: capture video from a webcam, recognize faces using pre-trained models, and verify them against a database of known individuals. We will be using several libraries, such as JavaCV for handling video capture and OpenCV for image processing. For face recognition, we will utilize a model from the DLib library. First, let's set up our development environment. Make sure you have the following installed: Java Development Kit, JDK, Apache Maven, and an IDE such as IntelliJ or Eclipse. After that, we need to include the necessary dependencies in our Maven project. After editing the pom.xml, let's create our main class. In your src directory, create a package named com.airport.security and a class named Face Recognition System. Next, we want to set up the video capture feature. Using JavaCV, we can easily capture frames from the webcam. Let's write the code to initialize the webcam and display the video stream. Now that we have the video feed, we need to implement the face detection feature. We will use OpenCV to convert the frames captured into grayscale, since face detection typically performs better on grayscale images. With the video feed and frame processing set up, we move to the next stage, face detection. We will load a pre-trained HAR Cascade classifier for face detection included in OpenCV. Now let's implement the function that is responsible for recognizing faces. For this step, we will integrate with the DLib library, which requires a different setup step. Make sure to include the DLib library in your project. For our face recognition logic, we will need to extract facial encodings from each detected face and compare these encodings to a database of known individuals. Once we have a match from the database, we can proceed to log the event and take necessary actions. This may involve notifying security personnel, logging it in a database, or triggering an alarm. Now that we have constructed our face recognition logic, the final step is to integrate all components into a cohesive flow. We will set up a loop that captures video, processes each frame, detects faces, recognizes them, and triggers alerts as necessary. Now, we have a fully functional face recognition-based airport security system. You can test the application by facing the webcam with known individuals in the database to see it work in real time. As we wrap up this project, let's take a moment to discuss additional features you could add. For example, implementing an admin panel for adding/removing faces in the database, enhancing the interface for easier navigation, or even incorporating a notification system for alerts via email. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and benefited from it, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe for future content related to advanced Java programming and machine learning. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today as we built a face recognition-based airport security system. Stay safe and keep coding.